am back with my cold brew recipes. This time we are going to make our cold brew on the edge, edgy cold brew coffees. And that means we are going to make use of some exotic toppings. I'm going to make 4 different types of drinks today with 2 different types of toppings. First 2 drinks, I'm going to make use of my sea salt cream topping. Details on how to make this one in the link above. Do check it out. Okay? And the second is using my cream cheese foam. So once again, if you haven't yet seen the video tutorial on how to make this one, check the link above, okay? And we are going to make regular coffee using sea salt cream, and then we are going to make sea salt cream latte. And the other one is cream cheese coffee and of course cream cheese latte. And we're going to make the cream cheese a little bit more exciting by making it creme brulee style. For this, we are going to use my cold brew here, and I use this new cold brew coffee maker that I have just purchased, very cheap, about $10. I have made a review on this cold brew coffee maker in the link above. Do check it out. So let's start by making our first one, which is sea salt cream coffee. The recipe is 3 ounces of my cold brew, and then add 2 ounces of water, so making it to 5 ounces. Because this is a concentrate, I am diluting it with a little bit of water. And then for commercial purposes, you may add sugar syrup, but this is entirely optional. I'm going to add, from my recipe, the original recipe is 1.5 ounces of sugar syrup. This is debatable. You can make it less depending on your own preferences. 1.5 commercial recipe. Mix it well, and then pour it in your glass of ice. So this is my cold brew coffee, cold brew Americano, and now I'm making it more exciting by adding our sea salt cream. For this, I'm going to use only 2 scoops. Okay, put 2 scoops of sea salt cream on top. Put the lid on. And this is iced sea salt cream coffee. Now notice that I'm using a sip lid here because this drink must be taken sipped, not with a straw. 1 drink down, let's go to the next one. For the next one, it is going to be sea salt cream latte or sea salt latte, iced sea salt latte. For this, I need 4 ounces of my cold brew, 2 ounces of my milk syrup, and that's really it for my ice cold brew latte. Mixed well. You'd really like to mix your drinks first this time. No frills, no layering, because we are going to add the layer or the frills on top. So pour it into your cup of ice. And to make this sea salt cream latte, I'm going to put 2 scoops of my sea salt cream on top. That is looking very tempting. Okay, there you go, sea salt cream latte. Put your sip lid on. Second drink down. Okay, on to our third drink. It is going to be creme brulee cream cheese coffee. So it will be the same 3 ounces of my cold brew coffee. And to this, I am going to add 2 ounces of plain water to dilute my cold brew, because this is going to be plain coffee. And then once again, I am going to add 1.5 ounce of my sugar syrup. I'm just going to put it straight here, so it should take me up to there. Okay, that is my next drink. This is my Americano, cold brew Americano, and then time to put them in our cup. Now for this, I'm going to make it creme brulee. So using my cream cheese foam as the topping. So this is my cream cheese, and once again, I am going to put 2 scoops of my cream cheese. If 2 scoops is not enough, you just estimate how much you need. Well, I think it doesn't look substantial enough to me yet. Just slightly more. And then, because I'd like to add a little bit more excitement to this, making it creme brulee, I am going to add brown sugar. Okay? So before that, I'm going to use my brulee ring here and then sprinkle a lot of brown sugar on top. It is okay for you to make a mess in your workspace. That's why I put a bit of a small tray underneath. Okay, so now I have my delicious looking and smells gorgeous, that caramelized brown sugar on top. This is my ice cold brew creme brulee coffee. Okay, there you go. Third drink down, and now for our final drink, which is creme brulee latte. Okay, so using cold brew, for this it's the same recipe, 4 ounces of my cold brew. And then once again, I am just going to put it straight here, 2 ounces of my milk syrup, so it should bring me to 6 ounces or 180 milliliters of my latte mix. Okay, and mix well. That should be well enough. And now I'm going to put it into my glass of ice. Very simple to make. It's just your regular cold brew latte. And then once again, I'm going to use my cream cheese foam. I wouldn't recommend that you use your sea salt cream for your creme brulee because it's going to clash with the taste of your caramelized brown sugar on top. So just about 3 scoops, I think. I'm just trying to be generous here. And then once again, cover with your brulee ring and pour sugar, muscovado sugar or any premium brown sugar that you can get hold of. Okay, the more the merrier. There you go. And final touch is to brulee, to burn. It is smelling burnt. Well, gorgeous. You know, caramelized brown sugar smell. And we have 4 drinks here. Creme brulee latte, creme brulee coffee, sea salt latte, and sea salt coffee. 4 delicious, edgy coffee recipes using cold brew. Very easy, new, exciting recipes for your cold brew coffee. Well, salty and refreshing cold brew coffee. Now for my sea salt cold brew latte. Absolutely delicious. That's all I can say. Delicious. And this one, of course, I love the smell of the caramelized brown sugar and with cream cheese topping, cream cheese foam on top. So let's give this a try. Wow. I got some of the caramelized sugar it is delicious. The perfect combination with my latte. The taste of the cream cheese and the smooth coffee with milk underneath. Okay, cold brew, not bitter at all. Creme Brulee, cold brew coffee. Different. If you ask me, personally, I prefer this one. I love the contrast of the saltiness of the sea salt cream, whereas this one, both sweet, so they complement each other, but this one gives a beautiful contrast. Equally good, it really depends on individual preferences. So thank you once again for all your support. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Also, check out my book, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. In the meantime, stay safe as always. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.